Good day everyone. In this video, I will show you how Wins operation work and benefits of Wins server. So first, what is Wins operation? The Windows Internet Name Service or Wins operates by providing a centralized method for resolving NetBIOS name to IP addresses in a network. This process ensures that device using older Windows system can communicate by resolving human-readable names into network location. So, ang WINS operation, siya ang mo-provide og mga NetBIOS name para sa mga IP addresses sa mga network. So, ang mga older version niya Windows kay maka-communicate yapon sa by resolving human-readable names. So the next is how WINS operates. First, registration of NetBIOS name. Second, name resolution. Third, dynamic updates. Fourth, replication between WINS server. Fifth, cache management. And sixth, conflict resolution. Ang first, kay registration of NetBIOS name. When a computer or device starts up on a network, it registers its NetBIOS name or a unique name for that device and its associated IP address with a Win server. So pag start up pa lang nimo sa network sa usa ka computer, it automatically registered its NetBIOS name niya with associated IP address niya o ang Win server. Niya ang Wins mo store there na ang data dito sa database niya. The second is the name resolution. When a device wants to communicate with another device by its NetBIOS name, it sends a query to Win server. So for example, kung ang PC1 need siya mo communicate sa PC2, mo send na siya og kana NetBIOS name to Win server. Nya ang Wins mo check na siya kung match ba ang NetBIOS name nga gisend. Nya pangitaon to niya ang PC2. After makita na sa PC2, isend na niya balik sa PC1 with an IP address nga gi-request sa PC1. So the third is dynamic updates. If a device IP address change due to this HCP, it registers its new IP address with the Win server. So kung ang computer or device kay mag-change siya o kanang IP address, it automatically register as a new IP address and Win server. The fourth is the replication between Win server. In larger networks, multiple Win server can be set up to replicate their database to each other. So kung dako ang network, magsige na siya replicate ang database sa Wins pod. Then the fifth is the cache management. Wins maintain a cache of recently resolved names to speed up future requests. This reduces network traffic and improves performance of the name resolution. So, kung na may mga request, i-stored sa na niya para kung request mo balik ana, mas mapadali ang iyang pag-process sad. So the last is the conflict resolution. In cases where two devices attempt to register the same name, Wins use various conflict resolution techniques to ensure that only one device retains the name, helping maintain network integrity. So kung naay magpareha nga name sa mosulod sa Wins, ang Wins automatically have a technique to resolve the para di na siya magpareha gyud. Dapat one PC usa gyud sad ka name sad. Next is the benefits of Win server. First is the centralized name resolution. Win centralized the resolution of NetBIOS name to IP addresses, eliminating the need for devices to broadcast name resolution requests across the network. This reduces network traffic and improves performance, especially in large networks. The second is support dynamic IP environments. Wins work well with environments where devices frequently change their IP addresses, such as those using Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol (DHCP). It automatically updates the NetBIOS name to IP address mapping when a device IP address changes, ensuring name resolution remains accurate. So, mo ni akong gingon ganina nga kung mag-change mo og new IP address is automatically sa ma-change ang dito sa iyang database o new IP address. The third is improve network efficiency. By providing broadcast-based name resolution, which can lead to excessive network traffic, WINS allow more efficient communication between devices. So ang WINS, mas ni-focus siya sa mas padali ang pag-recognize sa device or pagpa-communicate sa device nga ganahan i-communicate sa usa. The fourth is reduce name conflicts. As subheadings WINS register and manage NetBIOS name dynamically. It helps prevent name conflicts. Two devices using the same name with the network device can automatically register with the WINS server, ensuring their names are unique. The fifth is multi-subnet support. WINS support network that can span multiple subnets, unlike NetBIOS broadcasts, which are limited to a single subnet. So, mas okay pa siya sa katong NetBIOS broadcast. And the sixth is replication redundancy. Win server can replicate their database with other Win servers, providing redundancy and ensuring the name resolution remains available even if one server goes down. This is especially useful for large or geographically distributed networks. So the seven is administrative control. Network administrators can manually add or delete or modify name records in the WINS database, giving them to control over resolution in the network. This can be useful for troubleshooting or managing specific name resolution needs. So they can also manage in the network or delete an devices or name. So the last is interoperability with older system. WINS is designed for network that include older Windows systems such as Windows NT 2000 or XP that rely on NetBIOS for communication. So, mas mukuan siya sa mga kaya pa niya makommunicate ang mga mas older pa yun nga version. Okay, that's all. Thank you.